A bit of breaking news to bring to you right now on Links 007 TV News Report. A Chinese national was shot dead and his wife seriously injured in Southfield, St. Elizabeth at their business establishment. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The bloodletting continues in the breadbasket parish of Jamaica after the police have confirmed that two Chinese nationals were shot, one fatally a short while ago in Southeast St. Elizabeth. It is further reported that the deceased is a businessman who operated the Jojo supermarket in the area. His wife, who was also shot, has been rushed to hospital and is said to be in serious condition. This shooting follows the killing of three people in separate incidents in different parts of St. Elizabeth between Monday night and Tuesday night. We have now been reliably informed that an updated report will be coming soon in relation to this story. But during the publication of this report, we have also been informed that the wife of the businessman of the Jojo supermarket in Southeast St. Elizabeth has just passed away. We'll continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.